Look kids, today we will learn super sound letter combination. Today we will see how two letters come together and create one sound. CH ch as in chat. SH as in ship. TH has two sounds. One is soft sound, th as in thumb, th hard sound, the. In WH, H will be silent and it will sound as a V, whale. PH, F as in phone. KN, N as in no. WR, R as in right. GH, G as in ghost. EA can be sound in many ways. EA, E as in read, meet. EA, A as in bread, head. EA, as in break. EA, as in ocean. AI will be sound as A as in train. Letter E will be sound as E as in feet. O as in boat. O as in book. AR will be sound as A as in car. ER will be sound as in her. IR as in bird. Or as in fork. UR as in hurt. I as in pie. EIA as in eight.